whole building is moving. Whoa! What do we have here? We got all the wood that we need. Not just the wood. Ice water shield, that's tar stuff for the roof. Got all the wood that we need. A lot of wood. Everything has been marked out. Oh, this is so awesome, guys. I'm excited. Oh, I can't wait when it's up. Got all the stuff from Home Depot. They were the cheapest price. All this wood. Whatever's left over, we're going to have a big bonfire. Have a huge barbecue. Have a real good time. I like the sound of that. We'll party right afterwards. Yeah, everything got delivered. That's so cool. Happy about it. Oh, we also got metal. They arrived. Sweet. Oh yeah. We got everything that we need, I believe. Cool, let's get it going. Oh, even more stuff arrived. Wow. I believe this is the rest of the stuff for the building. Thought that was it. But this is it now. And great news, I got approved from the council. I got approval for the building. Now the building can start being built. Makes sense. New equipment arrived. Oh, this is a big boy. It's nice. Oh, smooth tires. That means you can do donuts around the concrete. Pinch area. Nah. Let's see how far she can go. There you go. Boys are working hard. All done. That looks good. Guys did a real good job. Ooh, look at those big boulders. That's where the hoist was. That's thick. That's real thick. That's what she said. Yeah, real good. Real good. Ready for new concrete. Boys are working hard tonight, getting things done. Awesome. Wow. 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 Whoa. There's a mountain over there. This is cool. This is awesome. This is how big the barn's going to be. That's crazy big. I love it. Like a professional. Concrete's all cut for the new footings. And also for the approach. And it's going to be a nice smooth approach. And they've taken off the topsoil so we can lay sand and then concrete on top. Oh, God did a really good job. Really, really good. Matrix over there just enjoying himself, enjoying the day. This is how big the warehouse is going to be. I'm really excited. It's been a long time waiting for this, to be honest. Yeah, so all the concrete's all been removed and it's going to be all new footings, new concrete, new sand. Well, it's a new barn. So yeah, I'm excited to see it. There's all the old concrete and that's where the footings are going to be. Big footings, very big footings. So you guys seen from the last episode, this used to be just a parking area. And then the barn started over here. And then my hoist was over here. See how thick this concrete is. That's what she said. But yeah, really poured more than 4 inches of concrete here. It was first laid. It's all ready for new soil and new concrete. Oh, it's gonna be awesome. More to come. Now in the next stage, we're gonna put some sand down so we can level everything, getting ready for concrete. That's a lot of sand. A lot of play sand. But we're gonna do this area and the other one. Oh, there's a, what is that? Oh, that's pretty cool. And we're gonna do this area here, and we're gonna do that area there. I think that was a woodchuck. That was a woodchuck. A fast woodchuck. And make it all nice and level. Get ready for concrete. It's coming along nicely. That's the machine to do it. And there we go. We got all the sand put down, compacted, ready for concrete. Matrix is doing a final inspection. But it's looking all good. Looking all good. We just need another truckload over here. Matrix is getting stuck. He's sniffing for the woodchuck thing. He's looking for that woodchuck thing. Yeah, it's looking good. That machine does a good job. I'm excited. Finally getting it done. So all the sand is put down, compacted, ready to go. And if it's not, then we just need one of those compactor things, if that's what you call it. That's a rebar that I had for the hoist. Was remember, I think I had to have it. But yeah, it's looking good, real good. I think it was like I believe 4 or 5 truckloads, I'm not too sure. That sand over there is just going to go on the edges, so when it rains it just runs off on there. It's going to be with grass and so on and so forth. Matrix do another final inspection on the equipment, make sure it's all good. Awesome. Ready for concrete. There we go. The last 2 truckloads, yeah, I think it was 2. Last 2 truckloads of sand being delivered and laid out. Gotta wait it to compress. We're gonna get one of those compactors. Can't even think right now. Yeah, all ready to go. All ready to go. I'm tired. Looking good. All ready to go. What do you think? Well, you got sand on your nose. You've been sniffing the dirt. Hey, you're sniffing the dirt. What do you think? 5 paws? 5 paws? Oh, belly scratches. That's what it is. Okay. Here we go. Hole's been drilled out. Ready for concrete. So far I'm not seeing any green tags. I'll check that out here enough. Hold on. Is there a green tag there? What's that saying? It's approved! Ta-da! Footings. Almost a Matrix. Pick something up in this one. Baby bunny rabbit. See if I can find a bucket or something. Got him. Oh, he's just a little guy. Gotta release him in the bushes around here somewhere. Away from Matrix. Here we go, little guy. Don't want to scare you. Here you go. Come on. Go on. You're free. You're free. Come on. Go on. Get out of there. Come on. Hey. Look. You're facing the wrong way, monkey. Go. You're good. There you go. Bye-bye. Oh, there's a damn frog. Zoom. Oh yeah. Mouse to the rescue. Got him too. Oh, a bouncy little thing. Why couldn't you jump out of the hole? Huh? But yeah, he screams. This thing makes a noise. So cute, man. Okay, let you go. Ready? Ready? Oh, you're beautiful. You got beautiful colors. Here you go, bud. Here you go. Run away. Oh, there you go. There you go. Ah, good. Ah, you shut up, Baba. You're not falling in the hole. This rock is not big enough for you, my boy. Ah, that's good. Oh, yes. It's starting to go up now. They're posting. I don't know how they build it, but that is pretty clever how to support the uprights. Oh yeah, that's right, they got concrete in there, so it's got to keep stable. Duh. I'm not a builder. I'm happy to see this construction going on. That time. All the walls are mainly up. Doing a real good job. Had a real big storm. And the walls are still up. Well, sorry, the posts. I don't know why I keep saying walls. They're not the walls yet, they're posts. Posts are looking strong. Big swimming pool in the middle. But looking good, coming along. Roof is somewhat on. Oh, a lot of space. Looks like a stadium in a way. Get ready for horses. Don't drink that water. We got the windows roughed in. We got plywood all sheeted on. It's definitely getting there. Oh, it looks awesome. Yes. So good. This is amazing. Wow. Amazing what siding does and trim. Oh, yes, please. This is looking good. Oh, yes. Little couple of pieces left to do, but almost there. There she is, all complete. Now we got to get ready for electrical and concrete. All this concrete has got to go. Can't use it. It's a good platform. We're going to be getting all new concrete and putting the car hoist like over here in this area. But all of this has got to go. But it's all complete. Doors, windows, everything is in. It's great. Oh, a lot of space. Hard to think that the old barn used to fit right in here. Isn't it crazy? Wow. It looks great. Garage doors are going to come in. That's going to be the little office area, toilet kind of area. I think it looks fantastic. Thumbs up to the guys that did this. Great job, thumbs up. Now we got to do electrical, we got to put insulation, we got to run all lights, fans, rip out the concrete, and put a new pad. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more. And catch you guys on the next one. Take care.